Okay, I don't know what we're getting into. So I don't think I've done this before.
I made it pretty far.
Nice. Leave a little space because there's going to be things where you have to punch up. Nice. Did you dab any?
Well, I had to walk a section.
All right, we just closed up shop and we're gonna head out. And we might be in for a little bit of an exciting drive because Vermont and New Hampshire are getting pummeled today and tomorrow with rain. We're supposed to get 4 inches of rain, which is the same amount of snow or rain that Vermont got hit with during Hurricane Irene and completely decimated towns throughout the whole state. So there might be a lot of road closures and there might be kind of an adventurous little ride home. And I'm also a little bit worried about our trails that we've been building up at the driving range because, well, a lot of that work might get undone. So we'll see what happens when we get there.
Holy shit!
All right, so this past weekend, we were hit with record-breaking amount of rainfall in a very little time. I mean, most importantly, I was worried about people. But another thing that was on my mind is I was kind of curious to know how the stuff that we've been working very hard to build over the past few months would hold up. So this is that drop that I built. And one of the things I was worried about is water seeping down the middle coming off the rock. But remember, I put this PVC or whatever guard here to try to catch the initial water and channel it to the side. You know, some's gonna flow over, that's fine. It's not gonna be perfect, but it will catch the majority of it and can tell by where the water flowed that this actually did a really good job. It's not perfect, but I think the proof of concept works. So I'm pretty happy with this. I'll have to come through and maybe make a few small tweaks to make it better, but yeah. Now we do have like a small little rain rut there, but nothing huge. So no rain ruts there, no massive rain ruts here. So the little water bars that I put in place here, up there, down there, yeah. I would say if there's any weak point, it's this guy right here and that guy up there, which we can fix. Otherwise, all right, ready? Yeah. Drop it in. So we got a crap ton of rain, which flooded all of Vermont. But then after the flood, we got a microburst. And like we came up here after the flood and like we like rode the trails, they were fine. But this is what happened literally 1 hour after we were taking a, we're doing a photo shoot up at the diving board. So and it took down that tree that I really liked. I was really hoping it would stay up. I knew it was dead, and I knew it would come down at some point, but I was hoping it would last a little bit longer than that. But it wasn't no any casualty. You can see that hemlock there, that came down, birch is down, and then throughout this whole hillside, I actually had to cut my way up here. So, whatever that was, it was a pretty aggressive storm. That was on top of like all the flooding that we've gotten in Vermont. So, it's been a hectic time. Anyway, we're gonna try to chop this up, hoping I might be able to preserve some of this. Like maybe if I cut it like 6 feet from the stump, maybe we'll be able to save it. We'll see. Wants to fall down. I think I should be pretty safe where I am. If I cut it, if I notch it up here and then cut it from the bottom, it will swing down. Actually, I'm gonna take this. Let's move these before they get trapped. I've learned that lesson the hard way. Cool.
Good shit, tree, good shit.
Alright, that was annoying, but we got things out of the way. It's not rideable, but we'll come back. I think I would probably use 2 of those logs and kind of figure out how to make a new run-in. But either way, the drop will prevail, make it work. Just annoying how we are throwing another curveball, and supposed to get another thunderstorm tonight or sometime soon, and it's gonna throw another curveball at us. So fun times ahead. Hailey's first time flying with bike bag. Actually, no.
No, it's not.
But first one with the
But
wheels.
First one with wheels. Yeah, exactly. There you are. Good one.
I was just noticing that there's like a chain on the thingy that I've never seen before. Alright, this is bullshit. They get a double window. But come over to my side. And what is this? Alright, so we're back in Vermont, and I'm finally getting a chance to check out to see what the weather did to our trail while we were gone. Because Vermont got a crap ton of rain before we left, and while we were gone in BC, we got a crap ton of rain after that. So, and as you can hear, it's still raining. So, right now I'm just checking up on our trails to see what kind of work we have in store for us. And right here is kind of the worst of it. Luckily, we did a pretty good job with drainage. In the big picture, not that bad, but it will probably add another like 4 to 5 hours of handwork, but that's fine. I don't know, like while we were gone on vacation, this is all I could think about. I was definitely worried about this, but check this out. That guy that got blown over in the microburst and was hanging on that guy, we notched it quite a bit smaller, but finally fell down. We got another windstorm, so that's good. We'll go ahead and take this out some other day, but this kind of helps mark that this trail is closed right now. So I'm gonna leave it.